Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program to demonstrate if-else statement. Let me answer with practical demonstration. So first of all, writing a program that is Java program for demonstrating if-else statement is very easy. I'll show you that, but whenever you get this kind of question in the interviews, you should not be writing this code in a simple and straightforward way. Rather, you have to write in a better way where you collect the input from the user and do something out of that. Okay. So I'll explain both the ways. The simple way where you can write the program and the actual way in the interviews you have to write to impress the interviewer for this kind of simple questions. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE and create a new class here. I'll just create a new class. I'll just name this class as some random name like class 5. First, I'll show you how to write the if-else demonstration program in the simplest way possible. So that is, I'll say int a is equal to 5, comma, b is equal to 4. Right? The question here is, write a Java program to demonstrate if-else statement. Here I'll write if a is greater than b, then print it out system.out.println a is greater than b. Like this you write. In the else block, you write down system.out.println. Okay, b is greater than a. This is the simplest way you can write the program. Okay, but if you write this way, it won't make much effect in the interviews. It's okay. Still, you have answered the question. That's okay, because they are trying to check you whether you have the Java knowledge or not. Whether you can write the syntax of Java for if-else statement or not, they're checking. That's good. The program will work. A is greater than B will be printed. That's all good. But what if I want to make this particular program dynamic by collecting the values of A and B from the user? From the user, I would like to get the values. For that, I'll use scanner. Okay, I would like to take this input from the user. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner, Control Shift O. And here I'll write down system.in. Then scanner dot next int. I'll say here before next int, I'll write down system.out.println. Enter first number. Enter first number, I'll say. So that first number I'll store into the A like this. And I'll write down system.out.println. Enter second number. Enter second number. Enter second number. Into A, I'll say. Enter first number into A, I'll say. Into A. The variable A into variable A into variable A. Enter second number into variable B, I'll say. Okay. The user will enter two numbers, guys, into one of the number into the variable A, another number into the variable B. Here into the variable B also, I'll collect the input from the user like this. Next int kind of things. Now this line, I'll remove that. Okay. So this looks very good. If I have to answer the question in the interview, I'll definitely use a scanner class to collect the variables of A and B from the user. And inside, if I have to provide a condition, that can be any type of condition. Here, A greater than B also will result in either true or false. Such kind of conditions we have to provide, guys. And at the end, you can write scanner.close. Scanner.close. Okay. Now run this code. This kind of programs you have to write in the interviews, guys. You should not be writing very basic programs. Enter first number into the variable A. Let's say I'll give the value of 5 and enter second number into the variable B. If I give 8, B is greater than A, it will print because the value that is stored in the B is greater than 5. So B is greater than A will be printed. Else block will be executed. What if I run the same code and this time if I write 9, 3, A is greater than B will be printed. Okay, the value of 9. The value of that is stored in the variable A is greater than value stored in the variable B, that is 3. 9 greater than 3. So A is greater than B will be printed. Okay. Depending on the type of the input the user is giving, either A is greater than B will be printed or B is greater than A will be printed. So this is one of the program that you can write and demonstrate when the interviewer asks you in the interviews, write a Java program to demonstrate if-else statement. So with practical demonstration, hope that you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.